Exam Prep Basic Security Training. For those who are wishing to apply for a BC Security Worker License, we recommend this tool to help you prepare for the government exam. The cost is low, it's only $10 for 15 days access. The exam prep consists of a number of tips and tricks which will help you pass the provincial exam and give you access to over 300 exam questions. Every time you go to take the test, it'll pull 50 random questions out of the database. You'll go through and answer all the multiple choice questions and hit submit. The test will reveal the correct and incorrect answers. It'll also provide you with instructor feedback. So for example, if you get a question wrong, you'll be able to read the instructor feedback and study for the next test. I recommend that you do this as many times as you can to help prepare for the government exam. To learn more or register, please go to our website.